model, 2019 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2900 Le Nav Cdti BtSs spares or repairs needs engine. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 129558. MOT, the 2nd of January 2026. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. The engine will need repairing or replacing, nice easy job. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp